Okay, so part 2 of the Astra radiator saga. This is the old radiator. Try to show you that. It's a bit knackered right along the bottom. Yeah, knackered. Right, so new radiator's in. It's all filled up. I need to top that up. I've had it running. All the hoses are all nice and toasty. Nice and toasty. It's not radiator. Heat in there. Once I get it out here, take it around a bit, but I need to build this up. Where have I put that tool box? Oh, where did that go? Okay. So I start putting it back together. If you want to watch, you can watch me with that. Set this heat light. So the heat light is a wee bit better. Seconds, fine plans, 7 millimeter. Let's try and do this quick. Is that one out of here? Oh no! Oh, it's 4 each. 4 in each. 7 millimeter. Try and get that. See where it was. Click. There's one under here. Why is that nowhere near that? Because it's quite flexible. Put in there. Click. Somebody likes those. Doesn't matter. See how long this takes me. Somebody that's somebody that isn't a panel meter. There you go. There you go. Down, get in there. Consider I'm not a panel beater and don't really know what I'm doing. Tighten. So I think batting bar next after this. So these headlights are held in with 4 7mm nuts, bolts, nuts, bolts, bolts. To the top, one inside, and one under there. Fiat. I believe this is a Fiat engine. Fiat. A Fiat engine. Engine out of Fiat. No sure, might be wrong. Yeah. Right, I'm just going to quickly check that I've actually plugged in right. Do you have lights? Do I have side lights? I have side lights. Do I have headlights? Do I have Bemis? Sorry if I'm blinding you. I can see that one video. Makes funny noises. Right. Backing bar. The Nightmare backing bar that has 18mm. You go in here. Why won't you fit? Yeah! And then that clips in at the side. Bit here's got to go in there. And it's sided. What are you stuck on? Oh, that. Why won't you go in there? You're binding on something. What are you binding on? Nothing. Ah! In there. Right, clips in there. That clips in there. Right. 18mm bolts, 18mm bolts, 18mm bolts, 18. 8 of 18mm. And I don't have my 18mm socket at hand. So, old fashioned way of there, I'm going to use an 18mm spanner. These two are going in there. I don't think. And then for time, don't have to hear all night in this. Because I've got want to clay bar the roof. Because I polished the roof. I polished the roof on Friday, but it's still. It's shiny, but it's still rough. So I'm going to clay bar it. I'm going to attempt to clay bar it. Oh, yes. Why? Why do you want to know something? An 18mm ratchet spanner, no? Tighten up the fingers. Tighten. Actually, just go and see if I can find. I'll see if I can find an 18mm socket, because I'll be here alright at this rate. Because that one there's 1 minute and it's Christy Silver's loves this. Waffling on. Seems it's good being in. That's right, I could take this off again. Sit you up there. It's way down in there. That's the one that I can actually get to. There's another one that you can't even get to. It's a bit of a faff. got you. Gotcha. Right. These are the ones that were proving to be a bit of a nightmare. No, Friday. Ah, that's Bomney. Bernie. Yeah. Not one. Oh no, that's right. I couldn't. Did I get that with the socket? No. Come on. It's fine. Ow! I thought I learned the first time. Ow! It's tight. It's tight, it's tight. And then you put all the plastic things on up there. Then so these are actually, see when you know how to get into something, then it's a lot easier to do. I've had to borrow tools because the majority of my tools are up the road. Oh, come on, man. Can't be that length. Can't be that length. It's tight enough. Going to be a lot better. With my finger. That's it enough. Oh, the one else went. Oh, there we go. It's easy when you know how to do it. Oh, I think I might be tight enough. That's the one that's going to be the problem. The one that initially wasn't the problem. Right, okay, what size is that? That's 18 inches. Come on, everybody else. Hello, everybody else. It appear that why don't you fit? Because that's a 16. Oh, no, 18. No. Nobody has an 18. Okay. Like an 8. An 8 for your thought. The one that I thought would have been a problem. Actually, the one that was meant to be the one that wasn't a problem. Oh, come on! Come on! Man! Why did they never? Get the spanner on it. Can I get it with my finger there? I thought that one would have been the easy one. Oh, wait a minute. Okay. Hello? You hear a hollow back, that's when you start panicking. So you can't turn it with your finger. I mean, you're trying to turn it with a spanner, it's too slack. It's gone. Okay, just get it now. Just get it now. Come on, you're the one that came off, no problem. Yeah, you're the one that does not want to go back on. Oh! Can I say swear words? Because I do say a lot of swear words. Here we go. To wreck the day. Here it comes to it. Why won't you? Using right, that'll do it. Right. What's next on the agenda? Clip. Oh. Clip the wiring harness back in. In you go. In you go. There's a clip out of that one, right? Gone missing. So the wiring harness goes in the back bar. There. Just be clipped. It's all great. All right, feeling that one there's missing. Oh, maybe that's missing. That's it. And the radiator beside you too. Pedal all over the road. What thinks it's Peter Gabriel? Right. Plastic pieces. Oh, I need to put that turbo pipe back in. Yeah. Excuse me. So I've got all this. And I just hope that I can remember where all that goes. I know roughly where it is. Pull your socks up. That's what my boss used to tell me years ago. Right, you better pull your socks up. Please don't sack me now. Come on. Right. That's the oldest screwdriver in the world. Call this a magic screwdriver. In here. Somebody's got a wee dent in something. Gonna use one of your magic screwdriver. Gonna bring your magic screwdriver. I tighten that too much because I'm quite good at breaking them. The turbo pipes. But if you're ever doing one of these and you're ever taking the backing bar off, I would strongly advise that you remove that pipe and associated gubbins to get into the two bolts in there. Yeah. Right. I think that goes on first. See if you're changing an air, if you're changing an air filter on one of these. Gulls. This goes in there through that. See, trying to get that off of there while it's in there. No. There is a gull of some description jumping around. That was actually trapped under there, that man, so I'm just going to make sure it isn't trapped. I'm going to get some clips. Up at 6. Where did they go? Where did they go? I can't remember from Friday where the clips go in the extra. Clip. See when you're in a hurry to do something. Right. One, two, three, four, five, six. Hopefully this has got 6 holes in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, it would appear I've got 6 clips, 5 holes. Ah. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, I cannot even remember how that goes in. 1, 2, 3. think that actually was under that. Ah, that's better. Now I've got 2 cups extra. I've had that round here. Are they for something else? So they were after that. Where did they go? Does anybody else get this when they're, do you know name? Bear with me a second. I'm going to go and get this other thing that needs to go. This thing! This needs to go up here. Oh, I see where the clock's going now. Oh, I remember. I remember now. They go in here. Somehow. Ah, there they are. One there. There. Right. Now, I believe it's these are. What are they for? What are they for? Oh, sorry. It's okay. Right, it's okay. I remember now. That is in there. That one is in there. These are 10 millimeters. 10 millivolts. That one goes on. Oh no! Get in there. Behave. As she wants to. Behave yourself. Now, put it on the old mark. Get it on the old mark. Click. And it's like that, so I'll just check it. Oh, that was actually slight. I never slightened that. Let's try and get it on. Try and get it on the old mark. Right. Am I ready for a bumper? Have I done that? As quick as that? So I can't remember how to do it. It's coming up saying I've got an incoming call. Wow, that's half an hour. If you're still here and you're no bored at your skull, congratulations. Right, I think I'm ready for the bumper. Try and when do you think that would take that? Bumper, 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 bumper. Yeah, try to fit a bumper on your own. Right, I can't get in, nobody into that for there, am I? What am I standing on? Standing on the ratchet. Never a good idea. Now, assuming that just flaps about in the holes. Why has it got holes in it? Anyway, how am I going to get that? I wonder if I could set that up there. Temporarily. Did you see that? Are you going to fall off on top of me? Okay, I'll put a wee. I'll put one of them in there just to hold that. In case it falls off, I want to see if I can get into that. Nope. Nope. Can I get into that for there? So. Leave out! Come away from there. And get that in there. And that in there. Yep, there's no one here. They've all gone home. It's the time. Yes. Got it. I got it. Good. Probably destroyed me. Why have you under there? Come here. Oh, you don't need all of the first time, do you? If in doubt, gear it out. Swore I had something written there. Or is it just... I think it's just the bumper moving a bit. Now, loads and loads and loads and loads of 7 miles. I'm not tightening these. Oh, shit. Because I had a wee bit we had a lot of stormy weather. Well, we had a really stormy Friday. And we were in here. Yeah, they're the right ones. They're the Bolton ones. Oh, you stupid person. That's the Bolton ones. And then we've got 2 for these are the same ones. We had a really bad storm. Anyway. On my way home to work, I hit a big bit of wood, hence the reason why this is all scuffed. And it knocked that up. So I don't want to tighten this up too much because I want to make sure that it's once I get the bottom ones in, then I can drop it down off these things, because I need to turn the wheels to get to the arches. Right. Underneath. With these. Yes, for that. Why have I still got a short one? How is it getting? Six. What is it? Where did he go? Why have I got a spare one of them? I don't know. We'll figure it out. I think they go under here somewhere. Right, so let's see. I can't think where else. There's two long ones in that, I remember that. Because I was like, why are they so long? I'm just not sure why I've got. Is it too far over there? One of these ones up there's the wrong one. How many? Because that's a long one. I don't understand. Oh, did they sound too clever? Why have I got a long one or short one? This I am not understanding. Maybe it's long one. What have we done here? That's a long one. Right. That's what it is. That's a long one, so I've put a short one in there. I don't like to put a long one. What a horrible noise. And this one maybe? Is that what it is? That's the one for in the wing. That's the one that goes in the wing. Hey! 13's under here, and to either side. I can find it. If I can find the holes. It's pretty painless. There's another one. It's there. A lot of nuts and bolts on it. It's so scuffed there and all. The things I do. Board yet? Too big. It's too big 13 mils in here. That one, this one, doesn't want to play ball. The other one is alright, this one doesn't want to go. What's going on here? Across the maybe? I can't imagine so, because it's just stuff. Who would have thought this would have taken this length of time? Oh, come on. There's always one. There's always one. Right. Just outside. Ding ding. I wonder if you could, you could, but it's just easy. And a one. Right handed. Fog light plugs. No light. I forgot to plug fog lights in. But I can get to the fog lights from under here. With my fingers. What's watching? Oh no! This one's being a spine. I'm very shiny rolling in this so that I can do that. Why? So what's for dinner tonight? What's everybody having for tea? Oh. It's what? If you live in Scotland, the news will be on. I think Scottish headlines are going, and possibly even daylight 7. Hiya! Come on! Really well. Tight. Tight in your slack, just at the last bit. Done. Hiya! Sorry, I make a lot of noises. Very, very noisy person. That'll do it. Let me come. These are great. These things are brilliant. You just plug the airline in and compressor's off. Oh, yes. Compressor's on. If I had it plugged in, wouldn't it? That might help. There we go. Still has to get the safety pin out. Put the compressor back on. back in for a second. Put the remote down. Plug the fog light back in. There it is. How do you plug that fog light back in? Fog light. Listen to this. I'll take my friend to tow me home when my radiator burst. And his quite funny. Getting towed home in getting towed home by a Renault Clio. Of all things, a 1 litre Renault Clio. I actually dragged this. I dragged this along the road with ease. Sorry for the squealing. And I'm not talking about this. Sorry. On the wheel room. 7 mil, 7 mil. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, the rifle's gone. So. 7 mil. 7 mil. Let me 7 mil. Let's see 7 mil. And how you fit these as you do this. Like that. And then pull that in the road. And then your wee stupid 7mm nut. That's where I find it is too short. That's not the right one. That's not right. I don't think I've put the right ones in there. I think is it the longer ones? I don't think they're the right ones for in there. They seem very short, don't quite reach. I recall when I took these out. I'm sure they were longer than that. But not to worry. Seems to be holding it, so. I think I need new front tyres. They are looking rather short. No balls are cracked. That's not fitting, that's what D20s. 3 on either side. Oh, come here, stop running away from me. Stop running away! torques. 1, 2, 3, T20s. Tell you one thing, I never ever want to fit a radiator in this car ever again. That was an absolute faff. It should, things like that shouldn't. Things like that shouldn't be that difficult. Who needs to see? That's what I told her, right? Power steering, works when your engine is running. Power steering only works when your engine is running. Unless you get an electric car, in which case you don't have an engine. Oh, I thought I scratched that light. Ooh. Ooh. Don't you like Caroline? What film is that again? What's that film called? I can't remember. A scary film. A scary film when you're a child and your sister just happens to be called Carol Ann. And the voices in the TV are saying, "Come to the line, Caroline." Right. Let's see how that is. Oh, it's not bad actually. Slightly. It's telling me the bonnet's open. Bing, 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 bing. Bonnet's open. Behave. Great. Let's go. And just out. Oh, God, what a noise, man. What a noise. Quick. Quick. This one's it. Quick. 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 Right. That'll do. What time is it? 27? Not bad. Let's see. Yeah. Oh God, that's horrible. What is that? No, that was, I must admit that it didn't take me as long as what I thought it would have. put a wee bit of water in that. And the filthiest fucking up bottle ever created. Just got another wee splash. Just take that's a wee splash, that was actually quite a bit. Right. Aye, so to get the radiator out, to get the radiator out, the radiator is attached to the intercooler. So the intercooler comes out with the radiator. Managed to get the aircon condenser out the way. Right. Okay, I'm happy with that. Outside temperatures are working, lights are all working, everything's all working. Well, I hope I didn't bore you to tears with that. Probably did. But, if you like being bored to tears, I might put other stuff up. I have actually done a video where I changed the oil, but it wasn't like, it was basically to show you what you need, but I've not actually put it up. It's just, if somebody's in the same situation, I'm not trying to make millions, I've got a job. I've got a job. Anyway, if I haven't bored you to tears, thank you very much for sitting through this palaver. Thank you.